Hello everyone, so Black Friday and Cyber Monday are almost here, so I wanted to let you know about some big Blender product sales which are happening very soon. So the Blender market is having a huge sale and all products tagged with BFCM23, so Black Friday, Cyber Monday 23, all products with that tag will be 30% off during the sale. And the Blender market sale will start on November 24th and it will go through November 27th of 2023. So some products you may be interested in checking out are my Ultimate Blender Procedural Material Pack, and that material pack comes with all of my procedural materials pre-set up in Blender's asset browser with custom thumbnails, sorted catalogs, and customizable node groups. And you'll also get updates with all of my future procedural materials. And you can also check out my Furniture and Home Asset Pack, and that comes with many furniture and home 3D models, and those are also set up in Blender's asset browser so you can drag and drop the assets into your projects. And I do have some affiliate links in the description to some products which I recommend, and they're products which I have made review videos about on my YouTube channel. So some of the products you can find in the description are the Pro Atmo add-on, a really great add-on for getting realistic sky lighting, also the Terrain Escapes add-on, which is a great add-on for creating landscapes, also the Quick Baker add-on, which is a super awesome add-on for quick and easy texture baking, and it really speeds up the baking process and makes texture baking so much easier. There's also the Physical Starlight and Atmosphere add-on. That's an amazing Blender add-on for getting realistic skies and sky lighting, and you can also check out the Simply Cloth and Simply Micromesh add-ons. Those are some great add-ons for creating cloth. Now, as well as that, on my Gumroad store, I'm going to have a 25% off sale on the same dates, and you can use the discount code RKA Black Friday to get 25% off, and I'll have all of these following products right here up on the screen, 25% off on my Gumroad store. And finally, Sketchfab is also having a Black Friday sale. So from November 21st through November 26th of 2023, you can use the discount code Black Friday 30 on Sketchfab to get 30% off all store purchases. And I also have an affiliate link to Sketchfab, so you can definitely check that out, and that's a great way to help support me as well. So I hope you enjoy the sale, and also Thanksgiving is coming up. Thanksgiving is on November 23rd, so happy Thanksgiving for all of you who celebrate Thanksgiving, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving day as well. So that's it for me, and thanks for watching.